Hi, Larry Berman here, and here's what's on my radar this week. Well, we took a week off last week at the end of the quarter, long weekend in Canada and US, and kind of try to recharge our batteries. And it worked because I got my first hole in one in 38 years of golfing. So two thumbs up for that. Back to second half of the year in markets, we think Q3 is a struggle. In terms of liquidity coming out, the start of taper talk. So right now the markets don't care about that. Right now and next week earnings are coming. The S&P 500 this year is now up to $191. We started the year, it was $164. So we've had this tremendous surge of money come in. It's boosted earnings, it's boosted confidence. How much of that is priced in compared to the fiscal cliff that's coming, somewhere over there, like not now, not next month, but it's coming. Congress isn't going to be able to spend as much as they want on infrastructure, I don't believe, but in any case, the big bill will be a 2022 story. They'll maybe get some bipartisan stuff through, this year as it appears, but the big issue for Q3, Treasury general account running down. They've got to fund the $600 billion more of new debt. That is going to be a liquidity suck probably in the next few months. How much is it worth? 5 to 10% at most off the current market. Now we thought that resistance was at 4250 area, and that 5 to 10% range took us into 3,800 kind of thing at the worst case. That range, bottom end of the range, is now 4,000 in terms of the S&P 500. So yes, still expecting a bit of a pullback here, but modest, relatively speaking, to the ranges of the current year so far in the last couple of months. So how do we play this? Bull and bear pick of the week. Still very much on the inflationary story. Yes, transitory, but energy still seems relatively cheap for the next 6 months. So for a trade, still bullish on reflation names, the steel names, the metals. Copper has had a good pullback. That looks interesting. Some of the lumber stocks have pulled back. That looks interesting. But bond yields have ripped way more than we thought. This treasury supply should be an issue. Bearish on bonds next few months. Inverse way to play it. Short TLT, TBF way to play that. So again, bullish on reflation, commodity type names. Bearish on interest rates. Have a great week, everyone. And let's watch those earnings real close.